Open the door.
Police department,
open the door.
As the officers attempted to break down the door, the women inside were desperately buying time to dispose of any evidence that might suggest activities beyond simple massages were taking place. What they didn't know that it was already too late.
Okay,
open the door now.
Open the door.
Let me out of here. Okay. Let me out of here.
Come on, out here. I'm gonna sit. Come on. Come on.
Come out here. Hey, come out here. Stay out here.
Stay there, timber girls. Let's go.
Want to sit with him?
Yep.
Sir. Hey, we need a few more inside.
Cover that one.
Come out. Go out there and sit in the lobby. Do not leave.
That's it. You don't need to put something on. Oh, you need to put something on. Can you check further? That's Jack.
Gotcha. Police department. We've got two girls. I couldn't hear you, bud. Do you want to get FIs on these two?
Yeah.
And then,
You said your driver's license is in your truck? Okay.
yeah.
Got one more coming out.
Yeah, it's clear back there.
Okay. Let's get our other two males.
FI'd.
FI, talk to them and see what exactly is going on.
I'm gonna have Josh FI on.
Yep.
Then you want to go back, get with Jack, and then yeah. What is that? Why is it pumped up like that?
Let's get their. Do you have IDs?
Y'all just wait right here. You can wait in the shade. Y'all want to be in the shade? What is going on here? Well, I know this is probably not something that y'all was expecting when you came to get a massage today. However, we have been watching this place for quite a while, so I think that the two of you probably, y'all aren't in trouble, okay? But I would appreciate y'all not acting like you'd have no idea what's going on inside this massage parlor. There's only one reason why people come to this place right here. Okay, so let's just, from here on out, let's just cut the bullcrap and why y'all are in this position right now. Okay. Are we on the same page?
Yeah, I hadn't said anything. I didn't know I was doing any bull crap.
No, I said, who's Ronnie? You're Ronnie.
Yeah, I got my radio.
You got it. You don't have a driver's license?
I didn't have my glasses on a while ago, so I really wasn't sure where my driver's license was at. And you said you're still in Kansas?
Yes.
What are you doing here in Oklahoma?
Heading to Texas.
Heading to Texas?
Clear.
Okay. I guess, put it blunt, unfortunately for you, you were in this massage parlor when we had the undercover officer detective inside the massage parlor. Sexual acts were offered, and that's why we're in here right now.
I see.
Okay. Okay. We heading down to Texas for
Family reunion.
family reunion. Okay. Did you just pay for a massage? How much did you pay?
Yes.
How much?
$70.
How long a massage did you pay for?
Huh?
How long of a massage did you pay for? 1 hour. Same. And it was 70 quoted price.
What have we done wrong? I mean, it's a massage place, so
Correct. So it says, I mean, like I was explaining, okay, we've had an undercover officer in there the same time as you, okay? Illegal propositions were made, okay? Prostitution propositions, which we know is going on here. We know for a fact that it was a full sex operating deal. Okay, that's why we were in there.
Can I turn up my hearing aids?
You bet. So that is the reason why we came barging in the way that we did. Okay, because I know that they locked the door behind you. I have myself personally been inside there. Okay, in an undercover capacity. Okay, so I know how it operates inside. That is why we came in prepared to break down the door if necessary, because we have one of our own in there. Okay? So, I don't know how to put it any further than that. We know what's going on here. We know this is not a quality massage that people are looking for. I think that's probably fair to say.
I have troubles with my legs. And,
I understand.
and
I understand.
For a massage, so,
And there's places that are probably cheaper than here that offer a more quality massage.
okay.
I think that's fair to say. Here's your ID back before.
I'm open to that.
So, with that said, this is the reason why we're out here. We'll probably get you two on your way here pretty soon. Okay? I'm sure you would.
Well, I can't see that we've done anything wrong, so
Well,
just because they
without
do,
accusing you of
just because they do
paying
what they
money
do,
for any type of sexual service, because I was not there in that room with you, but knowing
knowing
what this place
what you
is,
know, then,
okay, so we'll leave it at that, okay.
okay.
That we will get you out of here as soon as we can. As soon as my lieutenant says, these guys, we got everything that we need, we'll let y'all go. I recommend not coming back to one of these.
I ain't coming back. I won't be back. I come up here to Sam's to get a little bit of grocery shopping, and then come here to get a massage, and that was it.
Part of Texas you heading down to?
North of Dallas, a place called Bonham.
I'm sorry?
They don't do Western Fields or something.
At the very least, yeah.
Sounds good. I haven't called Chad yet.
Hopefully, figure out who's running this whole show. Hopefully, we find out who's running this whole operation. That's the ones that we're after.
445.
Go.
Sorry about that delay. I'm unable to find anything on your first subject. Your second subject clear all the way with the valid 43.
He is.
Yeah, you can go. You're free to go. Yeah, we're making this will be an arrest report and a news article, so you'll be in the incident report, listed in the incident report. So if you have anyone that you need to give them a heads up, maybe anybody, so it's going to call you to come in. So yeah, you're free to go.
Go ahead.
Can you get out without hitting that truck? Yeah.
Greg, go back.
He's out of it. Are you still channel 4?
Yeah. Catch it.